Hi, John and Casey. This is Matt Hamblin with Hamblin Auto Upholstery in New Baden, Illinois. I've been a mechanic for close to 15 years. Started working on cars after high school and basically don't like working on cars. So I'm good at it, but it's just not my passion. It's not what I want to do. Really just don't interest me at the end of the day. Just started kind of looking at what I really want to do and what I can do for my family and its future. You know, I've always loved old cars. I always wanted to work on old cars. I always wanted to do a shop. Had several attempts with other people involved that just didn't work out, just didn't go the way we would have liked. Basically, I decided, I got to start finding a way to do something on my own, even if it's not the full-fledged shop that I always wanted. In comes my wife. I'm going to try and do something with her, that she's interested in, and she was interested in crafting and sewing and stuff that she could make by hand and everything. And so I kind of started learning from her how to sew and stitch. And I thought to myself, I could always apply this to automotive. This past year, we had a son and just decided, it's not the perfect time for it, but I feel like it was the necessary time to make a big change and progress forward and make it to where when he's old enough to remember that I would be able to be doing something that makes me happy and can also benefit the family and make everybody happy. So I started working on some of my own projects, trying to get some upholstery work done on my own things to showcase some work. My first machine I ended up with was a Juki, just a little Juki machine. Was not designed by any means to do upholstery, but I ended up doing the entire 66 Chevelle as one of my first really big jobs, all on that machine. And it was a lot of work, and it was about halfway through that job that I just started discovering John's videos and started watching those on YouTube, and then realized, man, there's more involved in this. Decided I gotta make this a business, and I gotta make it legit, and I've got to focus and be as good as I can be. So I bought your courses, and it really helped me get some better ideas on how to set things up. Really, probably my favorite part of the course was not just learning the different patterns that you can do in stitching, but learning like door panels. Like, I never thought of using ABS for door panels, and now that's all I use. I mean, I hate cardboard. I hate it. So I use the ABS, 1/8 inch ABS. I do everything with closed cell foam. I work it, and I believe that my panels are coming out really good now. So that was probably my favorite part of it. It really helped me progress my skills as an upholstery trimmer. So as far as my projects that I've done since Lucky Needle, really I finished that Chevelle project, and I've done a handful of projects, mostly stuff I'm just kind of working on a little bit at a time, some longer term projects and little pieces for customers here and there, and a lot of repair jobs like collars and blockers and such. But probably just understanding how, watching your videos, and it helps me understand how break it down mentally in such a way that I can understand it and realize that it's a lot simpler than it looks. It's just seeing those videos and really being able to focus in on what's really happening in the background of, on the back of a cover or something, that really made a big difference in how I approach things. And I think each project I've been getting better, and a lot of that was just sheerly just watching your videos and just trying something. I want to be a quality trimmer, and your videos help me do that for sure. If I was somebody that was on the fence about it, I would definitely recommend getting it. it could really potentially help you in any aspect, whether it's doing furniture or automotive, marine, motorcycles, doing it for fun, a hobby, or doing it trying to be professional and start a business. So I would definitely recommend it to anybody that wants to do this type of work. One last thing I'll show you is that being able to build a little bit of business here and there and just kind of keep growing it a little bit at a time, I was finally able to afford an industrial machine. Got myself a full tilt Juki industrial machine. Definitely a lot more in line with what I should have, and definitely makes the work a lot easier, which also helps me profit more. And that's what it boils down to, is doing something you enjoy and being able to make money at it. So but I appreciate everything you guys do, and I really appreciated the Facebook shout out. I hope this video didn't drag out too long for you, and I hope it's what you guys are looking for. So thank you guys, appreciate it.